Our customers are the lifeblood of our business, so when they give us a glowing review, we love telling everyone about it. And that's because we're focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. Let me share what one of our customers had to say about us. Great reviews like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of customer satisfaction possible. Making our customers happy is one of our strongest motivation, and we strive to make our customers happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use us in the future. All of our customers were new at one time, so we are always excited to speak with any of them, whether they're new or returning. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.